Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoop here. Today I want to talk about the topic of is my crypto and funds safe with Crypto.com. I also want to go over why newbies should not get a hot wallet or cold storage wallet. So I read this Reddit post right here, and I see other people always saying things like this. It says, "Is it safe to keep my crypto on the app? I like the layout and ability to trade, but everyone is telling me to get a hot wallet." And they're just saying that they don't want to wait. Let's see. They basically asked, is there any real reason to move it all off the exchange, like your crypto off the exchange? Would I ever lose access outside of a direct hack of my account? So when I see a post like this, it's kind of sad because it gets these newbies to think that these exchanges will instantly either be hacked or steal your funds themselves and just, run off with your crypto. So especially when everyone's spamming out to telling all these newbies, oh, get a hot wallet, get cold storage, get off the exchange, decentralization. But I'm going to go into that in a little more detail. But first, I want to mention about Crypto.com. So first off, so your crypto on Crypto.com is safe with them, as they actually have very good security. And it was mentioned in the recent AMA that security is one of their highest expenses to make sure that user funds are always safe. They do their best of what you can do in a centralized manner. Doesn't mean it's impossible to be hacked or your personal account or anything like that. Like, there obviously will always be a possibility. Even with a cold storage or hot wallet, you could be tricked by a social engineering attack to give out your 12 or 24 word seed phrase, which I'm going to kind of talk about that pretty soon. But first off, I actually wanted to show you guys this if you haven't seen it. Crypto.com was the first cryptocurrency company in the world to achieve this certification, which basically shows how dedicated they are to making sure that their security is top notch. So now I want to tell you guys about my opinion about new crypto users and whether or not they should get their own hot wallet or cold storage. So I personally believe that people should stick with the exchanges and research more on crypto and these cold storage wallets and hot wallets and seed phrases and all of that, and get more comfortable with the blockchain technology and all that, because it's just kind of dangerous to get newbies to instantly go into that. They need to be more comfortable with crypto and then start looking into those type of wallets. And the main reason I say this is because the type of wallets that people are telling these new users to get, they can be very confusing to use. Not all of them, but some of them. And they may end up actually losing all their crypto because of putting in a wrong address or something like that. I know that's not as likely now. I think I've actually accidentally put in a wrong address or something, but it detected it wasn't an actual address or something. So these like Ledger Net, because it was with my Ledger Net OS at the time. So they definitely are improving it. Back in the day, it was literally one letter off or number, and it just sends it, and no matter what. But they have been working on ways to go around that, but still keep it fully decentralized and all that. So another thing is, even if they didn't mess up, there's actually a lot of scams going on right now, and probably going to be even more later on as crypto is more and more adopted. But these scammers pretend to be like these companies such as Ledger or Trezor or Kobo Vault or whatever, and they pretend to be employees or whatever, and they'll ask you for your 12 or 24 word recovery phrase as a part of resetting or fixing your wallet, or they'll just come up with like any excuse possible. And when you're a new user, they may easily fall for that scam, and they might not exactly understand that anyone can literally steal all your funds from knowing the 12 words or 24 word recovery phrase. It may not seem like that could be possible, right? Because they may have created a username and password for their hot wallet, like on Atomic Wallet. I have to type in my username and password, but there's also your 12 or 24 word seed phrase, which that's the only important part. So they may not realize that. So even if you don't give your username or password, they can still steal your funds, and new users may not understand that at all. So lastly, I just want to say I actually do agree on getting a hot wallet and cold storage, but I would say like after a few months of being in crypto, so you can like fully understand it without being rushed into all the complications and maybe even lose a ton of money from a mistake or someone scamming you or a hack. Well, not a hack, but someone scamming you by getting you to tell them your 12 or 24 word seed phrase. That's what I mean by hack. It wouldn't actually be a hack, but a new user may think of it like that. So but yeah, you could have a very bad experience as a new user going straight into a hot wallet or cold storage. And if you do end up getting scammed or mess up something and send money to a non-existent wallet, possibly, that could just make these new users mad and leave crypto. And if you told them about the wallets to get and they messed up with the wallet that you told them to get, they might hate you or be mad at you for a short time, or it depends, on their personality, but they may be very mad at you for telling them to get that type of wallet because of them losing all that money, even though it would be their own fault. But that's kind of why I recommend starting with the exchanges and going from there, right? Maybe start on the exchanges, move it off the exchange, but into like Crypto.com to earn interest or something like that. And then from there, you could even download Crypto.com's DeFi wallet and then use that, which is their non-custodial crypto wallet. So that would be a hot wallet or a mobile hot wallet. So, but I would not recommend doing that instantly just because, I wouldn't recommend doing that instantly if you're a new user, that is. Of course, if you've been in crypto a long time, of course you're going to be doing that. At least I hope you guys are. If you've been in crypto for a long time, I hope you're using cold storage and maybe a hot wallet and even maybe in interest-bearing accounts, right? Just a mix of a bit of everywhere, right? Cold storage, maybe in DeFi, on CeFi with like Crypto.com or something. So just kind of a mix around with your crypto in a bunch of different places. You never want to have all your crypto in one full place. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your opinion is and what you think down in the comment section down below. But if you came for this video to know if your funds are safe on Crypto.com, well, they definitely are. They have really good security. All right, so see you guys later in the next video.